Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the topic employee management. So grab a seat, hit the like button, and let's get started. So Bitrix24 employee management system bring people, tools, and information in the company together in the most intuitive and productive. So you can click on the profile section, and after clicking on the profile section, the employee profile is in front of you. Employee profile in the Bitrix24 are a nice and simple way for a person to present themselves in addition to the basic information like name, age, position, and phone number. Our employee profile also contains all the appreciation which received by that person. The appreciation badge here. So you can see the employee directory, centrally searchable employee directory for quick access to employee data, including contact details, task, calendar, work group, tribe, and their activity in the field. The appreciation section is down below. The tag sections are on the right hand side. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, click the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or question in the comment below.